looks as though we are not the only ones here today. Hey guys, it's Mr. Foster. Greetings and welcome to Bear Creek Nature Trail here in Seminole County, Florida. For today's video, I thought we would have a little fun being outdoors. It's a beautiful day. So let's go explore Bear Creek Nature Trail. And while we're walking the trails, I'll be sharing with you some fun facts about this ecosystem, but with a twist, a reading twist. As I'm talking, giving you guys my facts and showing you around, I'll magically have words appear on the screen for you to read along with me. And those words will appear just like this. Wait a minute though, that's not going to work. I can't see with these words in my face. All right, plan B, let's take these out of here. How about this? We'll put the words down below, maybe in one of the corners. We're heading to a stream. The bottom of this little hill. Let's be careful though, lots of trip hazards here. Our first fun fact: rivers and streams are places where water moves from one place to another. Along the way, the water gives important life-giving things to plants and animals. Even though you can't see them, there is life other than that fish that we can see. There's tiny little microscopic, very, very tiny living things in this water. In my class, we've talked a lot about ecosystems, haven't we? And all of this green, and the green that's in the water, they all make their own food with something called photosynthesis. And if you recall from our classroom discussions, if they make their own food, are they producers, consumers, or decomposers? I'll put the answer right here. This ecosystem is full of life. There are fish in the water, snakes, lizards, birds in the trees, all eating something. So does that make them producers, consumers, or decomposers? I'll put the answer right here. Because they consume what the producers make. Here's a fun fact. Leaves have something called the leaf tip right here. And here. When water sits on top of that leaf, it needs to go someplace. The leaf tip helps the water slide down the leaf. Pretty cool. Now every time you see a leaf, you'll think of that leaf tip and think of me. So far, we have producers that make the food in the ecosystem. Then we have the consumers who consume or eat the food that the producers make. The consumers make waste. What happens to that waste? It gets decomposed by the decomposers. Here's a great example of a decomposer right here. Notice this tree has fallen. It's hanging over the water. And on this dead tree are these wild mushrooms. And right now, those mushrooms are decomposing this old dead tree, breaking it down. So the ecosystem cycle starts over again. Another dead tree, instead of moving it, someone just cut the path into it. You can see from here the leaves, sand, bark from the trees, small twigs being moved downstream. Sand that was here, or a leaf that was here, just floats on down. I do believe this green is a form of fungi. Another decomposer. On this dead tree. Well, I do believe I'll be ending today's video right here, right now, with this beautiful scene. I want to thank you for watching and for tuning in, spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.